cruise till we can't. You got the drink, I got the drink, and we done stopped at the bank. Sun beaming, it's weekend, heading down the beach way, messing with my girls. Here it's one of them games that we play. Braves bouncing to the beat, feel me coming down the street. She's gotta be a freak if she's sitting next to me. So shine up your hoopty and fall in line. Bring your honey if she's fine, and we gon' have a good time. To the outskirts of first buzzing off the irk and jerk, swooping over puts in work. Now watch me skirt. I heard them calling me, but they not ballin', see. Cause if you're ballin', then you got your own set of keys. The breeze is hitting, don't think you'll catch me slipping. 40 thieves, wino and got that back when we dipping. Through the west coast, down south is the direction. Throwing up the hood, cruising. Come on, we jet.
A black day, sporting in fat rings, we strap, won't be no jacket. The scent of that chocolate mixed with that tie. Wind be on my neck, the beats caress my thoughts. Now I'm beats high, ready to get my groove on, so I'm playing tease. Knowing he's feeling me and what those feelings be. Kinda flossing, cause tossing, we do it on the sneak tip. Snuggled up, freaking dip, give the drink a sip. Leaning on his chest, I feel security. It's just my man and me against the world. You understanding me? Cruising till the sun sets. Yep, we'll be heading out. Dipping through the city, me and my Nikes, what I'm talking about.
Afternoons in the tape deck, my woman's on the right looking bomb for this trek deck. Floating on the freeway at a cruise 65. Malika rode a tie so I can feel that Rocky Mountain high here. Take the wheel while I shake off this head rush.
Yep, I'm down the bus, sliding over like what? Watching the sunset, it be the flyest with the top down.
Park up at the spot, I ain't gon' front, I'm trying to mess around.
Your homies still around?
Yeah, they busy though.
That's all I need to know. Roll up the windows and lock the door. It's on and popping, all that cruising got me worked up. Turn up the beat and bump in between the seats.
Yeah, that's how we do it on the Western Hemisphere. All my homies